Hello everybody, in this video I'll show you how you can repair a broken fence. My fence between me and my neighbor has fell off during strong wind, and she has temporarily put some rope and sticks on her side to prevent this from falling over. I know some of you will say that it is her side of the fence, however I decided to do it for her. As you can see there's rope on the top holding the fence from falling over. I needed to change 2 fence posts to be able to repair this fence, and I started by doing this old trick of attaching this piece of wood to the bottom of the fence. I then used the car jack to try to see if that will remove the post from below. You can see me here trying with the car jack to elevate it and see if it will come off. Unfortunately, it was very rotten from beneath and it completely detached, so this first method has failed. I then decided to break around the post and remove all the concrete that was holding that post down. As you can see, I used this large breaker that I had, and I was trying to break through around the whole post. I've done quite a bit of digging, which I haven't filmed. However, I ended up with this hole at the bottom where the new post is meant to go in. For a standard 2.4 meter post, I made sure that I'm digging at least 60 centimeters down and about 40 centimeters wide around the hole where the post is going to be. I've put the post down. I've then used this level that I've got online. I think it was £1 or something, and this can adjust the post for different directions. So make sure that it is completely level. It's a bit of fiddling around, and once we made sure that it's completely level, I then poured in postcrete. I put in 1/3 of the hole filled up with water, then postcrete, and then the posts were then firm in place. I then used brackets to attach it to the old fence panel because the old fence panel was okay. And it came out very nicely. Neighbor was very happy. The whole process has taken about between 2 and 3 hours, mostly because of the digging and making sure that I removed the old part of the post out. The total cost for changing these 2 posts were around 50 to 60 pounds. I'm sure there's other ways to do it, but this is just how I've done it myself. Feel free to post comments or questions below, and see you in the next video. Thanks.